The 2026 Kia Sportage is no longer the SUV people love to hate. With 268 hybrid horsepower, amber 7-shaped lights replacing those awful boomerangs, and dual-screen standard, Kia just made the most complete Sportage ever. If you love automotive breakdowns, like and subscribe right now. 6 major changes coming up. Let's go. 6. Design nobody hates anymore. Until this update, the Sportage's design had people either loving it or absolutely hating it. Those bizarre boomerang-shaped running lights and aggressive front fascia were deeply controversial among buyers and critics alike. The 2026 refresh brings a complete front-end makeover designed to appeal to a much broader audience and eliminate polarizing opinions. The new headlight design follows Kia's latest design philosophy, creating a more balanced and sophisticated appearance overall. Instead of those low-mounted headlights that made the Sportage look like it was squinting at the road, the 2026 model features vertically stacked LED units that create a more conventional yet distinctly modern look. The signature boomerang elements have been completely replaced with distinctive amber-colored 7-shaped daytime running lights that evoke earlier Kia models. The grille has been entirely redesigned with a larger, more prominent mesh pattern that gives the Sportage a more substantial and commanding road presence. The front bumper receives revised air intakes and more aggressive lines that enhance the overall appearance. What's particularly smart about this comprehensive redesign is how it maintains the Sportage's bold character while making it significantly less controversial and more universally appealing to diverse buyer preferences and needs globally. 5. More power, better efficiency. The 2026 Sportage hybrid lineup is receiving meaningful power upgrades that make these electrified models even more appealing compared to traditional gas-only counterparts available today. The standard Sportage hybrid is getting a 5-horsepower bump, bringing total system output to 231 horsepower combined. The turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine continues to work seamlessly with 2 electric motors and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The integration between gas and electric power is becoming increasingly seamless in real-world driving situations and conditions. The plug-in hybrid variant receives a 7-horsepower increase, pushing total system output to 268 horsepower, making it impressively powerful. This makes it one of the most powerful compact SUVs in its price range, delivering performance that rivals some mid-size SUVs while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency standards. The real story isn't just about raw numbers though, it's about how these hybrid systems are becoming more refined and sophisticated than ever before. Kia's engineers have been working on smoother transitions between electric and gas power, better regenerative braking feel, and improved performance under various driving conditions. The electric-only range for the PHEV variant remains at 34 miles. But the overall driving experience will feel significantly more polished and sophisticated than previous models. 4. Cabin gets a serious upgrade. The 2026 Sportage's cabin transformation is where you'll really notice the significant difference compared to the outgoing model completely. Kia has completely rethought the dashboard layout, ditching quirky design elements in favor of a more refined and practical approach to interior design. Gone are distinctive vertical air vents that gave the previous model its unique character and appearance. Instead, the 2026 Sportage features a cleaner, more conventional dashboard design that prioritizes functionality and ease of use. The new flat-edge steering wheel replaces the previous 3-spoke design, creating a more modern and premium feel throughout the cabin. The real game changer is the technology integration throughout the entire cabin space. The 2026 Sportage gets dual 12.3-inch displays as standard equipment across every lineup trim level. That's a 12.3-inch touchscreen for infotainment and a matching digital instrument cluster. These aren't just bigger screens either. They're running Kia's latest software with faster processing, vibrant graphics, and improved response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard across all trim levels. The new infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, meaning your Sportage will get better features over time without requiring dealership visits. Material quality is taking a significant step forward throughout. upper trim levels are getting soft touch surfaces, improved seat materials, and premium finishes throughout the cabin. 3. New trims you've been asking for. Kia is expanding the Sportage lineup with strategic new trim additions that give buyers more choices than ever before. The most significant addition is the X-Line trim for the Sportage Hybrid for the first time ever. Hybrid buyers can finally get the rugged X-Line styling they've been requesting consistently. This means 19-inch black wheels, gloss black exterior accents, unique bumpers with faux skid plates and roof rails, all while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency ratings. There's also a new S-Hybrid trim level, positioned as a sportier alternative to the base LX Hybrid model. This variant features 18-inch dark alloy wheels and gloss black trim pieces that give it a more aggressive appearance without the higher price tag. These trim additions address specific customer requests Kia has been hearing from buyers consistently. Many wanted efficiency combined with rugged styling and capability. Now they can have both without compromise whatsoever. 2. Safety tech that actually helps hands detection technology for the steering wheel is now standard equipment, ensuring drivers remain engaged at all times. Highway Driving Assist 2 is available as an option. This system makes partially automated lane changes when signaled and automatically slows approaching turns using navigation data. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist is enhanced with direct oncoming detection capabilities. The parking distance warning system includes side detection feature. A 360-degree camera system is available on higher trims with blind spot cameras displaying live feeds. Remote Parking Assist lets drivers move their Sportage using their smartphone conveniently. 1. Prices that still make sense. The 2026 model is more expensive across the board. The base Sportage LX starts at $28,690, representing a $1,300 increase from previous year. With destination fees, you're looking at approximately $30,085 total. The popular EX trim sees a $1,000 increase to $30,490. The X-Line goes up $700 to $32,990. The SX trim reaches $34,290, and the SX Prestige reaches $36,290. Hybrid models start around $30,000. These increases happen during tariff uncertainty and supply pressures. Competitors see larger increases in pricing. The Sportage's increases are modest, considering all the upgrades included. A loaded Sportage Hybrid costs significantly less than equivalent Toyota RAV4 Hybrid or Honda CR-V Hybrid models, while offering more standard features throughout. The 2026 Kia Sportage establishes itself as the most complete version yet available. For shoppers valuing substance and style, this SUV deserves serious consideration and a test drive. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.